Imagine this. You're on a hike. The sun is shining, and you're surrounded by beautiful nature. You're feeling energized, alive, and you know that this is the moment you've been waiting for. You've decided that you're going to take your life to the next level, and you're determined to make it happen. You've set a goal for yourself, whether it's to start exercising, read more books, or begin doing meditation. And you're committed to making it happen. But as the days pass, something strange happens. The excitement and motivation that you felt at the beginning of your journey starts to fade. You don't feel as energized anymore, and the habit you were so eager to start suddenly doesn't excite you anymore. You tell yourself, it's fine, I'll do it tomorrow. But tomorrow comes and goes, and you still don't feel like doing it. So, you tell yourself the same thing again and again, I'll do it tomorrow. This cycle continues until your desired new habit is nearly forgotten. Sound familiar? We've all been there at one point in time. But why is it just so hard to follow through on our new habits? Why do we struggle to make any lasting changes in our lives? Well, that's where the 2-minute rule comes in. This powerful concept, created by James Clear, can help you overcome the mental resistance that comes with starting new habits, and make those changes stick for good. One of the key things to understand about the 2-minute rule is that it's all about starting small. The idea is that you begin by taking just 2 minutes to do something related to your desired habit. Let's take reading as an example. Instead of telling yourself you need to read an entire book, use the 2-minute rule and set a goal to read just 1 page for 2 minutes. It might seem pointless to read just 1 page, but the point is to get in the habit of reading, not to finish the book in one sitting. Once you start reading, it becomes easier to continue. The same goes for exercise, meditation, or any other habit you want to form. Become a runner becomes put on my running shoes and go outside. Floss all my teeth becomes floss one tooth. The key is to make the first step easy and manageable so that you can build on it. I personally used the 2-minute rule to form the habit of playing the piano. Instead of setting a goal to practice for an hour every day, I set a goal to practice for just 2 minutes. It was easy to start, and before I knew it, I was practicing for longer and longer periods of time. Another important aspect of the 2-minute rule is to focus on the process, not the outcome. Instead of thinking about how far you have to go to reach your goal, focus on the small steps you're taking every day. This will help you stay motivated and on track, and you'll be less likely to get discouraged or give up. So, next time you're feeling unmotivated or stuck, remember the 2-minute rule and take that first step towards making a lasting change in your life. Thanks for watching, and until next time.